In this segment, we're going to cover removing the wheel and locating the access point for the lower crank. We only jacked up one side of the vehicle, so this wheel, because it's automatic transmission, the other wheel's on the ground, this wheel will be locked up while it's in park, so we'll have the ability to break the lug nuts free. If this had been a manual, or if you jacked up both front wheels, you need to break the lug nuts free before lifting the vehicle. And whether I'm installing or removing the lug nuts, I always do it in a kind of crisscross star pattern. It's not so critical in removing the lug nuts as it is when replacing them, but it's just a habit thing. Okay, now we got them broken free. I'm just going to use my battery operated drill driver, speed the process up a little bit. Once we remove the lug nuts, just basically wiggle the wheel a little bit and go ahead and slide it off. And what I'm going to do is slide up underneath the car. That'll keep it out of the way, and also provides a little bit of added protection in case something should happen and falls off the jack. The vehicle won't slam all the way down to the ground. With the wheel removed, now you can see the access point, this circle here, and this usually will be equipped with a black rubber grommet that fits in there. This one's been lost or failed to be reinstalled when it's been worked on it sometime. But that gives us access to the crank so we can turn the engine over. It's a 17 millimeter bolt head on there, and I'll just show you by basically sliding it in. It's located about 3 inches behind that access panel there, and this will give us the ability to rotate the engine over while we're adjusting the valves. So please watch our next segment. We'll cover finding top dead center and prepping the vehicle.